Nikam and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am here to help you all with my conceptual mathematics. As I say, whether you belong to BE, BSc or Diploma or you're preparing for your any competitive exam, I am here to help you all. So चलो शुरू करते हैं आज के वीडियो के साथ। आज हम देखने वाले हैं मैट्रिसेस का एक टॉपिक दैट इज अलजेब्रा ऑफ मैट्रिसेस। अलजेब्रा हमें पता है अलजेब्रा का मीनिंग क्या होता है। In simple words, it means mathematical statements to describe some relations using you can say addition, subtraction, so on. So यहाँ पे हम matrices के बारे में देखने वाले हैं. So first of the top term in this is equality of matrix. Equality, the name itself says equal. Equality मतलब equal, right? So equality कब कहेंगे? Suppose we have two matrices A and B, then they are said to be equal if we observe that order of A is equal to order of B. Order मतलब क्या? वो मैट्रिक्स कितने रोज और कितने कॉलम्स का है, right? Suppose we have a 2 cross 2 matrix and we have a 3 cross 3 matrix. These are not equal because इसका रोज 2 है तो इसके रोज 3 है, इसके रोज कॉलम्स 2 है तो इसके कॉलम्स 3 है। हमें क्या चाहिए? कॉलम और रोज इक्वल चाहिए, तभी हम कहते हैं कि वो क्या है? मैट्रिक्स इक्वल है। एंड if they are equal, we can say corresponding elements of A and B are same. That is, we can say Aij is equal to Bij. We can say that. मतलब क्या? Suppose we have a matrix say 2 cross 2 matrix say A B C D, and here we have another matrix say M N O P. So we can say, since if two matrices are equal, we can say A is equal to M, we can say B is equal to N. Aij मतलब A11, तो यहाँ पे A11 क्या है? M, तो A is equal to M. A12 तो B and M. C is equal to 0, D is equal to P. Such is the case. Okay. And how do we represent? We represent equal matrices as A equals to B. So let's discuss an example based on it. So given is a matrix 2a plus b, 3a minus b is first row, c plus 2d, 2c minus d is second row, and it is equal to 2, 3, 4 and 1. This is another matrix. It is said that these two matrices are equal, and using the equality property we have to find the values of these constants a and b. So we have just seen if two matrices are equal, aij is equal to bij. So we can say we know that if A is equal to B, this implies Aij is equal to Bij. So as per this property क्या हो जाएगा? Here we will get 2a plus b is equal to 2, sorry, and second term से मिलेगा 3a minus b equal to 3. Second row से क्या मिलेगा? c plus 2d equals to 4. 2c minus d equals to minus 1. Correct? Such will be the equations we will obtain. Now suppose this is equation 1 and this is equation 2 we are getting. So solving the first terms simultaneously, what do we get? 2a plus b equals to 2, 3a minus b equals to 3. Here straightforward b cancel हो सकता है, 2a plus 3a 5a equals to 5. This implies a is equals to 1. On a similar basis, suppose we solve the second two equations. ये होगा c plus 2d equals to 4, 2c minus d equals to minus. Now there is an opposite sign for d, but 2 का difference है, let's multiply this equation by 2. So if you multiply this 2, ये 2 2 are 4 plus c, so ये हो जाएगा 5c, ये cancel हो जाएगा, and यहाँ पे होगा -2, तो 4 minus 2 will be 2, and with this we will get c is equals to 2 by 5, right? Now here itself, since we have obtained a, if we substitute this simultaneously in any of this equation, क्या हो जाएगा? Therefore 2 times 1 plus b equals to 2. 2 शिफ्ट करोगे तो -2 होगा, this means b की वैल्यू मिल जाएगी हमें 0. Similarly, when you substitute this c value in any of this equation, say first equations में substitute करते हैं, तो 2 by 5 plus 2d equals to 4 होगा ये, इससे हो जाएगा 2d equals to 4 minus 2 by 5, right? So 20 minus 2, that is 18 by 5, तो ये होगा 2d equals to 18 by 5, sorry, and hence d की वैल्यू मिल जाएगी 9 by 5. So these are the required values: a equals to 1, b equals to 0, c equals to 2 by 5, and d equals to 9 by 5 are the required values for this given equal matrices. I hope it is clear. Next, let us move on to another form, that is multiplication of a matrix by scalar. Multiplication of matrix by scalar, the name itself says, given a matrix multiplying by any scalar quantity, that means we can say any constant quantity. So suppose we have a matrix A and K is some scalar quantity, then the matrix obtained by multiplying each element of this matrix A by scalar K is called as scalar multiple of a given matrix. And how do we denote it as? We denote it as A. Means what? Suppose for example we have a matrix, so given is a matrix as say 2 4 3 1 2 5. This is a matrix K, and we have some scalar K is equal to say -1. So scalar multiple क्या होगा? Therefore scalar multiple, as we say, it is denoted as Ka. Ka means -1 times 2 4 3 1 2 5. Means each term in this or each element in this matrix will be multiplied by -1. So therefore Ka हो जाएगा -2, -4, -3, -1, -2 and 5. So this K can be any term. Suppose we have say matrix A is equal to 1 0 2 3 -4 6, and we have scalar as say 3 by 2. So therefore scalar multiple क्या होगा? Scalar multiple होगा 3 by 2 into 1 0 2 3 -4 6, and when you multiply this, ये होगा 3 by 2 0. Each element will be multiplied, तो 2 cancel होगा, यहाँ पे रहेगा 3, ये हो जाएगा 9 by 2. ये क्या हो जाएगा? 2 से डिवाइड होगा तो ये होगा 2 divided by 4 divided by 2 minus into 3, that is -6. यहाँ पे डिवाइड होगा तो 6 divided by 2, that is 3, 3 into 3 9, and this will be the newly obtained matrix, that is a scalar multiple. Okay, and remember, if you observe here, ये order क्या था? Given matrix का order था 2 rows 3 columns. The order of the scalar multiple is also 2 rows 3 columns. Here also we had 3 rows and 2 columns, and obtained newly matrix is also for the 3 rows 2 columns. This means that order of the given matrix and the scalar matrix always remains same. Okay. Moving on to another form, that is addition of two matrices. How to add two matrices? दो matrices अगर दिए गए हैं, say A B C D, and say B is a matrix, say M N O P. How do we add? Simple. Just add the corresponding elements. Means A11 को यहाँ का A11 add हो जाएगा, तो A plus B form कैसे दिखेगा? A plus M, B plus N, C plus O, D plus B. Such will be the case. And if we have to minus, So minus a minus b is nothing but what? We can express it as a plus of minus b. So it is also nothing but an addition form with negative matrix b. So यहाँ पे just change क्या होगा? यहाँ पे होगा a minus m, b minus n, c minus 0, d minus b. That's it. That such is the method to add two matrices. Okay, so we have an example given here. Let's evaluate. So as for this example, what is the given data we have? Given is a equals to 1 minus 2 3 minus 5 minus 6 0. B is a matrix minus 1 minus 2 4 minus 2 1 5, and C is a matrix 2 4 minus 1 3 minus 3 6. Now remember one thing, whenever we are performing addition or you can say subtraction, the order of the matrices is always same. We cannot add or subtract two different order matrices. So two order matrices can be done, addition can be done if it has same order. Here now all the three matrices have the same order, that is 3 rows 2 columns, right? Now the question says, given are these three matrices, we have to find another matrix, that is x, some constant matrix, such that it satisfies this equation. So now we have an equation in the form of a, b, x and c. 3a minus 4b plus 5x equal to c. So let's evaluate. क्या दिया गया है? So we are given 3a minus 4b plus 5x equals to c. We need to find a value of x. So here we can say, write it as 5x equals to c minus 3a plus 4. We have just shifted this a b terms. Now just substituting the corresponding matrices in this equation. 5x क्या हो जाएगा? ये होगा 2 4 minus 1 3 minus 3 6 minus 3 times 1 minus 2 3 minus 5 minus 6 0 plus 4 times the matrix B. So minus 1 minus 2 4 minus 2 1 minus 5. Right? Now if you observe here, 3 is a scalar term which is going to be multiplied to this matrix A. 4 is a scalar term which is going to be multiplied to the matrix B. So just first multiply, let's first multiply it. Let this first matrix be as it is. 2 4 minus 1 3 minus 3 6 minus ये क्या हो जाएगा? 3 minus 6 9 minus 15 minus 18 0 plus 4 times this multiple, so ये होगा minus 4 minus 8 16 minus 8 4 20. Here there's one more thing. You can either multiply by 3 as I have done, or you can multiply by minus 3 and convert this minus as plus. That is also valid term. क्या होगा ये further? ये होगा 5x equals to 2 minus 3. Now will be doing addition and subtraction of each elements, corresponding elements. पहले दो matrices के कर लेते हैं, फिर बाकी इस matrices के. तो 2 minus 3 ये होगा minus 1, 4 minus of minus plus 6, तो 10, minus 1 minus 9 minus 10, 3 minus minus plus 15, 18. Then minus 3 minus minus plus 18. So ये होगा 15 minus 3 minus 0, that is minus 3, plus this matrix, that is minus 4 minus 8, 16 minus 8, 4 and 20. So ये क्या हो जाएगा, minus 1 minus 4 minus 5, 10 minus 8, 2, minus 10 plus 16, 6, 18 minus 8, 10, 15 plus 4, 19, minus 3 plus 20, 17, and which is equals to 5x. So 5 is a scalar term. We can shift this on the right hand side. तो shift करोगे तो x की वैल्यू होगी 1 by 5 times minus 5, 2, 6, 10, 19, 17. And with this x की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी, minus 1, 2 by 5, 6 by 5, 2, 19 by 5 and 17 by 5. This is the required matrix X which is satisfying this given equation. I hope सबको ये समझ में आ रहा है. Let's evaluate one more example. Given as an equation question which says we have two matrices given A and B. Now here if you observe, there is an iota term, that is a complex term, and we know iota ki value, iota is equals to root minus 1. Okay, so given are two matrices A and B, and we have to find the value of A plus B and A minus B. Also further, we have to show that A plus B is singular. Now what does it mean by singular? We know a matrix is said to be singular if determinant value is equals to 0. तो A plus B singular करना है, मतलब क्या करना है, determinant of A plus B equals to singular 0 है, ये दिखाना है. And also further we have to check if A minus B is singular. मतलब क्या, determinant of A minus B भी निकालना है और ये चेक करना है whether ये 0 है या नहीं. Okay, so the given are the two matrices A equals to iota 2 iota minus 3 2 and B equals to 2 iota iota 2 minus 3. So we have to find A plus B and A minus B. So therefore A plus B क्या होगा, the first matrix A iota 2 iota minus 3 2 plus 2 iota iota 2 and 3. So this is going to be iota plus 2 iota 3 iota 2 plus iota 3 iota minus 3 plus 2 minus 1 2 plus 3, that is, sorry, here it is minus 3, so 2 minus 3, that is minus 1. This is the value of A plus B. Similarly, we need to check what is A minus B value. So A minus B again iota 2 iota minus 3 2 minus 2 iota iota 2 minus 3. So this is going to be iota minus 2 iota minus iota 2 minus iota iota 3 minus 3 minus 2 minus 5 2 minus minus plus 2 plus 3 5. So this is the value of A minus B. So we have A plus B, we have A minus B. So what we need to do further? We need to check, we need to show. So we need to find a value of determinant of A plus B. So therefore now, determinant of A plus B क्या होगा? Determinant of the iota term 3 iota 3 iota minus 1 minus 1. So ये क्या हो जाएगा? डिटर्मिनेंट कैसे फाइंड आउट करते हैं? वैल्यू हमें पता है, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाइंग एंड सब्ट्रैक्टिंग. सो ये होगा माइनस 3 आयोटा माइनस माइनस प्लस 3 आयोटा So if we observe determinant value of a plus b is equals to 0, and this proves that a plus b is singular. Next we need to check if determinant of a minus b is equal to 0 or not. So determinant of a minus b क्या होगा? Determinant of minus iota, iota minus 5, 5. तो ये हो जाएगा. Again value of determinant कैसे find out करते पता है? Minus 5 iota minus minus plus 5 iota, and we observe this is also equals to 0. So determinant value of a minus b is also equals to 0, and this proves that a minus b is singular. Getting it? So such is the methods to make use of the algebra, that is to make use of addition, subtraction, multiplication with matrices. So we can multiply any scalar with the matrix. If you are multiplying it, it gets multiplied with each of the element. If addition मतलब क्या? सारे elements, particular elements का corresponding elements का addition. Okay? Equal कब कहते हैं? जब दो matrices के सारे terms और same order है और तो उसे कहा जाता है equal. Let's discuss a few important properties, or you can say important results. The results are, say it is a, if A, B and C are three matrices conformable for addition and alpha beta scalars. Now what does conformable mean? Conformable means the matrix is suitable for you can say the defining some operations. Operations in case addition, multiplication. Okay, so these matrices are conformable means the matrices are suitable for uh, you can say defining some operations on it. Okay, so these matrices here are conformable for addition. Here addition is the operation which is used. So if A, B and C are the three matrices conformable for addition and alpha beta are some scalars, then we can say A plus B is equal to B plus A. That is always matrix addition is always what? Commutative. Whatever the value of A plus B is always equals to B plus A. Next, A plus B plus C is always equals to A plus B plus C. That is matrix addition is always associated. Next, you add any zero matrix to given matrix A, it is always going to be equal to that matrix A, right? It's next says for a matrix A plus of minus A means what? Addition of inverse matrix given a inverse or negative additive inverse of matrix. So we have say A matrix as A, B and C, D. So negative of A or inverse of additive inverse of A क्या होगा? Minus A minus B minus C minus D. Such will be the case. So A plus of this minus A is always going to be a zero matrix, right? Then the next property says if you multiply by any scalar say alpha to A plus B or A minus B, then it is always equal to alpha A plus or minus alpha. Means what? Suppose we have say matrix A as A plus B, sorry, A, B, C, D and matrix B as say M, N, O, P. तो अल्फा प्लस बीटा क्या होगा? A plus M, B plus M, C plus O, D plus P. And if we multiply any scalar to this alpha alpha to this A plus B, say we multiply the scalar value is say 5, तो ये हो जाएगा 5 times A plus B. तो 5 multiplied by this whole matrix it will be, so it you can also either write it as 5 times the matrix A plus 5 times the matrix B. Okay, next says that alpha plus or minus beta into A is equal to alpha A plus or minus beta A. Means what? Suppose we have two scalars, say alpha is equal to 5 and say beta is equals to 7. So alpha plus or minus beta into a, तो अल्फा प्लस बीटा इंटू ए क्या हो जाएगा 5 plus 7 into the matrix A, that is A B C D some matrix, and 5 plus 7 is what? 12. तो 12 times this matrix A, और ये जो वैल्यू मिलेगी वही इक्वल किससे होगी? सपोज यू कैन ऑल्सो एक्सप्रेस एज अल्फा ए प्लस बीटा ए, दैट इज 5 टाइम मैट्रिक्स ए बी सी डी plus 7 times matrix A, B, C, D. And if you individually add this corresponding elements, हमें सही वही मैट्रिक्स मिलने वाली है जो यहाँ पे मिली है. Okay, such goes the property. The next property says, seventh property says that alpha into beta into A is equal to alpha into beta into A. Means what? Suppose we have a scalar now. We have taken here say scalar 5 and 7. Say alpha 5 है, बीटा 7 है, एंड से मैट्रिक्स ए है 1 2 minus 1 0, ये मैट्रिक्स ए है. सो अल्फा इंटू बीटा इंटू ए क्या होगा? ये हो जाएगा अल्फा दैट इज 5 इंटू 7 into the matrix 1 2 minus 1 0. The scalar is going to multiply to each element, so ये होगा 5 times 7 to, for that is 7 into 2 14 minus 7 0, right? And when you multiply the scalar 5 to this matrix, ये होगा 35. 5 into 14 70 minus 5 7 into 5 minus 35 and ये होगा 0, right? ये हो जाएगी अल्फा इंटू बीटा इंटू ए की वैल्यू. Whereas if you do the multiplication of scalars first, that means what? अगर हमने किया अल्फा इंटू बीटा and then into a, तो अल्फा इंटू बीटा मतलब 5 into 7 into the matrix that is 1 2 minus 1 0. So 5 into 7 is 35 and 35 multiplied by this matrix क्या हो जाएगा? ये होगा 35 into 2 that is 70 minus 35 and 0. So you observe both the matrices are equal, and 0 multiplied by any matrix is always going to be a 0 matrix. So these are a few results based on the algebra of matrices, or you can say with respect to addition and multiplications. This was all about our today's topic, where we have discussed how to multiply scalar term to a matrix, how to add two matrices, or uh, how to decide whether the terms two matrices are equal or not. This was all about today's video. मिलते हैं ऐसे ही नए टॉपिक के साथ, नए कंसेप्ट के साथ अगले वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए प्लीज़ डू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माय यूट्यूब चैनल for more such conceptual videos. Thank you.